Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, your one-stop spot for cruise news, resort specials, deals, and giveaways. Today, we'll talk about the many and varied things to do on the getaway on your sea day. When I know that the following day is a sea day, I like to pull a late nighter. So, apart from taking in the shows like Legally Blonde and Burn the Floor, it is great to get a front table at the Illusionarium, which offers dinner and live entertainment. The heart of the ship, though, is 678 Ocean Place, offering 3 decks of dining, shopping, bars, and entertainment. I had the best fish and chips at sea on deck 7 of 678 Ocean Place in my favorite eatery called Oceans. This is the neighborhood bar and grill. And to my surprise, while enjoying this amazing fish with incredible torta sauce, I heard a live reggae band playing just below us on deck 6. And true to form, when I looked over, there were Jamaicans on board rocking the place. Oh my goodness, you just can't move a ship without us. You know, I still salivate at the memory of an outstanding salad served to us on our final day on board. Sadly, I didn't take the name of it, but it was in Savory, which is one of the eateries also in 678 Ocean Place. It was absolutely delightful. My husband and we spent hours in the Grammy experience on deck 6, soaking in live jazz and R&B performances. You know he's a musician, right? And although he plays, he doesn't love music half as much as I do. Sea days are lazy days to sleep in, recline on your balcony, and just allow the gentle sea breeze to caress your cheeks. Yes, I did say on your balcony, because honestly, it's just not right to sail without a balcony experience. You get away from the crowd and the hum bomb and the drudgery of all of that, and you're able to just do you in your own space. So, think about a balcony stateroom cabin for this. Now, I also think that sea days are spa days. Time for spending time doing you, kicking back, relaxing. Couple this with some shopping in the various outlets on board, and this is a floating city waiting to be discovered. I'm so happy that you're enjoying our getaway experience. I cannot wait to take you and your family on a vacation like no other. It's not too late to take advantage of the $50 reduced deposit on all sailings through to summer 2018. Did I mention that the getaway goes to Europe this spring? Oh yes. Have you ever thought about doing a transatlantic crossing on one of the finest vessels in the world? We will take you to great cities in Europe and, of course, my favorite, which is Barcelona. You all guessed right. Yes, yes, yes. So, give us a call, will you? We are Sheri-Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, here to take you to the world and back. Ciao for now.